Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to reach the digital material of your book Colega 1. So first of all, to the Google, we should write the website Edelsa. So now we are clicking on the first one that it comes, edelsa.s. So we're clicking here. As you see, we should enter a name and we should enter a password. For to do it, we have to register to the site. Please, first of all, make a registration. Because I have a registration already, I will just click on the Acceder button. So I'm clicking it. As you see, here there's a blank. In this blank, we should write the code in our book Colega 1. So let's write it, for example. Nine, 3, 6, 4, 3, 5, 4, 8. Okay. So when we finish writing the code, we should click on Añadir libro, which means add book. So we're adding the book like this. So as you see, we got the book here. I have the teacher's book, but when you enter your code, you will have the student's book. When you open this book, you will see all of the digital activities of the book. Okay? So you can find the audios, which means the listening parts of the book. And here, for example, you should find the digital interactive exercises of the book. Let's see it. We should click on Acceder to see that one.